Hey guys, sanibona. So I introduce to you uBaby Ivakele, inganekazi yethu noLekamva. Yazi, for a moment there I was so shocked seeing uZethu crying. I thought something bad was happening to the baby. Kanti uZethu nje is just being dramatic. I understand ukuthi suke kanjani from this everyone being happy to this everyone being sad because of uZethu. What is the problem? What was happening to her? But all of that doesn't matter. All that matters is ingane isikhona, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone excited, which is why I want to discuss that and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you're subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this. Now, as we are seeing on the screen right now, everyone is happy. Like Tumega no Hlati, they are happy. Mama no Xolana happy. Umenchon ngapa, like everyone is happy, and the only reason why they are all happy is because there's a new baby in the family, uBaby Ivakele. So this is the name that Uhlati gave to the baby for those who didn't watch the show. So Uhlati decided to call the baby Ivakele for whatever reason. Now, what showed me the most is this scene. Lapho uZethu khona anyways ingane yakhe. So mina sisiphela but ingane yakho so that you can bond with him. Where uZethu angangeni yonke lonto le. And she was like, I don't want this baby mina. Tatheni, wara. And I was like, oh uZethu. Kanjani manje? What is happening? Oh, angazi. I'm thinking maybe it's just the nerves of being a mom. Angithi uzothi ingane yakhe yokuqala la kaze abe nengane before, and siyazonke iqaleni ukuthi she was scared sakuba nengane yonke lonto le. So I'm thinking ukuthi mhlambe namanje it's just nervous ukuthi hayibo mina wonke nguZethu nginengane, like ingane ezongibiza my ingane, that should be my responsibility. I think it's just the nerves. Maybe yenze wonke ama-female after giving birth. Angazi. My only excitement is that we have another baby now on the show, and yeah, I don't know. Do comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts, share opinions about this, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and do share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.